totally forgot to plug my mic in on this last recording. Hey everyone, it's TJ. Welcome back to my channel, and this is the series where I teach you how to make better content through poses. So this is video 5 out of my posing series, and in this video you're gonna see 3 posing tutorials. One that's focused on poses for travel content, and the other 2 are for poses for people that are a little more shy in front of the camera. So let me know what you think about them in the comments. Tell me what your favorite pose is, and enjoy. Wait, before you go, I know this video has officially ended, but it would help me out so much if you hit that like button. It helps the YouTube algorithm push my content a little bit further and reach a little bit more people. And if you want to see more videos from me, consider hitting the subscribe button and the little bell button so you can get a notification when my next video comes. Comment something below if you feel like you want to, and if you haven't yet, check out one of these 2 videos. It'd make me the happiest person ever. Okay, I will catch you on the next one.